Good morning, my dear students. Good morning to everyone. Is my voice is audible? Please do put it in the chat. Is clear on the? Can you please put it in the chat? Right. Am I audible clearly? Is my voice is clear? So today onwards we are going to start in the morning batch. So this is just for a trial version so that people will get ready for this particular time. So we will discuss about limits. Discuss about limits, and for you people, I think in your respective colleges already limits might have finished, but I will just explain this concept thoroughly for some time so that we can completely attack on the questions. So how many of you already have clarity on the limits concept? Of you already have clarity on the limits concept? Put it in the chat. My image might be a little blurred, nothing to worry about it. Right. So let me explain about limits concept. Are you ready? It's a great thing to come in the morning for live for both the sides, from the student side and as a faculty. So I'm a morning lover. So I like mornings because mornings are the most powerful time of our life without any distraction, just focusing on what we need to focus. All right. So come back to here. Limits. So in one word, if you want to say limit, what is the meaning of limit? It's very simple. It's a tendency of any function. What we call, it's the tendency of any function. We call a limit. So for example, as x is tending to a, the corresponding f of x will tends to certain thing. That is called its limit. I think you got in one sentence or one line. What is a limit? Limit is a process of finding the tendency of what? Of any function. Of any function at a given x value. Are you there? At a given x value. So to find this thing, this L, what we call this as the limiting value. What is this? Limiting value. To find the limiting value, we have different methods. So that limiting value can be find out by using few things called as standard limits, infinite limits, limits of indeterminate quantities. That's it. So you have three simplest possible ways to find the limiting value. Can you say what are those? Quickly, try to write very short notes. The total chapter we are going to represent in very less number of sentences and very less number of pages. So dear, be very careful when I am writing, because this is the most powerful time, morning, and it should have a meaning and it should be mostly effective ga undali. I think you got it. It should be highly effective and it should be completely turned into your result. So what I call this is, it is transforming your complete result right here. So very carefully you have to learn the basic things. Can you spell what we call this? Limits is just a process of tendency, or else we also called this as a process of tendency is also called as here approachness, approaching or ing, ending or tendency. You can call either way. So it's a process of finding the tendency, or one more way, approaching. So this is called basically limit. So limits are how many types, my dear? Limits are generally you can look at three types. Generally you can look at three different types limits. Right? Following up? Any doubt till here? So these three types are standard limits. So very simple. Standard limits are the limits when x is approaching to 0. When x is approaching to infinite. This may be anything when x is approaching to a. That may be 0, that may be infinite, that may be some constant k, whatever you have. Clear? Simple. That's it, limits. So now we will do one by one. Clear, my dear? Can you please put in the chat this basic introduction? How many of you got clarity? What we call this is a limit. Limit is a tendency. When x is approaching to certain thing, the corresponding f of x is approaches to some other thing. Am I right, my dear? These limiting values can be found in different ways. So what we call that, to find the limiting value, we have different methods, and what we call that method is, standard limits, infinite limits, and then what we call indeterminate quantities. There are limits of indeterminate quantities, right? So those limits are very, very important. Now put the heading standard limits. One by one, we will finish it, right? Standard limits. Standard limits are standard limits. Clear? So these standard limits are very, 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 very important. These are the limits when x tends to 0. So in the standard limiting case, write down this. In the standard limiting case, we call as, very carefully follow this. Sin x is approximately equal to x. Tan x is approximately equal to x. Sin inverse x is approximately equal to x. Tan inverse x is approximately equal to x. Are you there? E power x minus 1 is approximately equal to x. A power x minus 1 is approximately equal to log a into x. Right? So like that, you have few more. Log of 1 plus x is approximately equal to x. And log of 1 minus x is approximately equal to minus x. So in the standard limiting case, we will have this list. And 1 minus cos x is approximately equal to x square by 2. So this list you should have, my dear. These are the beautiful shortcuts to solve any lengthy question. All the big questions can be solved by using this method directly. Any doubts? Clear till here? In the standard limiting case, sin x is, write down very carefully. That's it. Standard limits are over. Write down very carefully. Quickly write it. Then we will just go with the questions. That's in the standard limiting case, you will get that thing. Right? So let me go with just a minute. We'll go with the questions then. Now look at question number one on standard limits. All right. All of you just look at this and give me answer for this. Beautiful question. Very beautiful question. Can you please look at this and give me answer? How to solve it? Quickly. So how to check whether this is in our standard limits or not? How to check, Ramai? Extends to 0. That shows that it is a standard limit. Put it, answer and give me. So in the standard limiting case, look at here. Sin x whole power m or sin kx whole power m is approximately equal to k power m into x power m. Right? K power m into x power m. Na? What this guy will become now? Look at here. Directly single step question. Sin 5x can be written as 5x minus 2x plus 4x minus x by 2x plus 3x minus 4x. Limit x tends to 0. When you simplify this, what you will get? So just check it. 6 by 1. It is 6. Such a simple, beautiful question it is, right? Are you able to follow, dear? Are you able to follow? Clear? Are you able to follow, dear? Super. Next question is, now you apply this wonderful conceptually connected question. And that too, this is previous JEE mains question. So how to apply this? It's a JEE 2025. It's a JEE 2025 question. Session 1. Whatever inside tan is there, write as it is. Right? And whatever inside log of 1 plus x means x. That guy will become 3x square by what is this thing is? X whole square. Whole square means whole square. So how much you have here? 5 into x power 4 by 3, that is. Clear? Can you cut the things and get the answer? Quickly. So what happening here? So root x whole square means it will become x. So gone and x left, x square gone. So simply just write all the coefficients. 5 into 3 into 9 into 5, cut. So you will get it as 1 by 3. Wow, what a beautiful question it is. It's a JEE mains 2025 question. It's not my question, it's a JEE mains question. Clear? How many of you are able to do this in single steps? So Always remember, a topper will have the attitude of, or the habit of doing. A question is there, questions are there, otherwise questions, for example, in JEE means you have 25 questions. So they will do this 25 questions, nearly 15 to 18 questions they will solve with conceptual clarity. They will do with conceptual clarity. The remaining questions are there, na 7 to 10 questions. They will do with the shortcuts. Clear? And the paper will be like that only. Generally, 70% of the questions they will give questions based on the conceptual clarity, 30% they will give for shortcuts. So, what is your thing now? You should have both the things in the hands. One is conceptual clarity, right hand, and the left hand you should have shortcuts. When you have these two together, you can just cut the question like anything. Are you able to follow here? So, always have both the things in hand. Then you will be in the toppers list. I hope all of you got this beautiful point what I said. Shall I go to the next question, dear? Solve this beautiful question. This is AP Eamcet, means MSET question. MSET is another very big exam in India, and means very big means highly competitive. Nearly 2 lakh plus students will attempt. So you can learn, those who are listening only for JEE means, you can practice this type of questions because MSET math is almost equal to JEE means level. But the thing is, they has to do the question in 1 minute. For JEE means, they will give 2.5 minutes, but for MSET, they will give you 1 minute. So, dear, attack on this question and give me answer quick. Quick. Answer is. Good answer. Is there anyone got answer? So what you have to do, whatever inside is there, put that outside. So that guy will become root of x. This guy is 3x. And here is root x whole square. And here is 5 into cubed root of x. So cubed root got. This gill x is got. And answer is 3 by 5. Answer is 3 by 5. Is there anyone got this? Yes, if you got it. Now go with next question. Standard limits, that's it. How, sir? Limit extends to 0, na? Now, give me answer for this beautiful JEE mains numerical model question. Numerical model question. So what is the answer is? So tan cube is there means just look at the coefficient and give me answer. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, only the numerator is cube, denominator is cube, and the limit is standard. So just take the cubes. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, and 6 cube. So what you will get here? Can you say? So the answer is, I think if voice is a little low, put full volume, full sound. They said that p comma q are natural numbers, then the least value. Least value means you cut whatever the things are getting cancelled. So 1 cube is 1, 8, 27 by 64, 125 and 218. Right? 18 or 216? 216, am I right? Put it. Calculation is very important for the topper. So should be good at calculation. What is the answer you are getting? 9 plus 27, it is 36 by, how much you are getting in the denominator? 64, 125. It's 9, 8, 189 and 216. Together it is 1, 9, 9 means 10, 10 means 405. Anything getting cancelled here? Can you please put it in the chart? Anything getting cancelled here? I think with the 3 you can cut it, right? 3 12 just 3 one time t 0 5 times. Check it. Calculation is going wrong with the 3. 40 means 13 times and 1 5, 135. I think again you can cancel, right? Check it again with the 3. 4 times and this is 4 5. So these are the list. I think you won't get cancelled. Now add both. So what is the answer is 4 plus 45, it's a 49. What a beautiful question it is. Am I right? This type of questions, if you do in less than 1 minute type of thing, do you know how much boosting your rank will get and how much confidence you will get? It's a wonderful thing. Clear, dear. Shall we go with the next question? Next question is star mark question, JEE mains question. I'll give some time. Give me answer quick. Give me answer quick. So how to attack? It's a standard limiting case. In the standard limiting case, sin x minus tan x is 0. So this is 0 square. 1 minus cos x is, what is 1 minus cos x we learned in the standard limiting case? X square by 2. Then what is 1 minus cos 2x will become 2x whole square by 2. That's it. That's nothing but 2x square it will be. So you can write it as 2x square whole power 4 plus x power 5 by, the denominator is 7 x power 7 x power 6 plus 2 x power 5. This is what we have. Clear, dear? Can you put the things common? So both the numerator and denominator is x power 8, x power 5. Here it is 7x power 7, x power 6 plus 2 x power 5. What can I do here is, I can cancel x power 5s. When I cancel x power 5 in the limiting case, what left is 2 power 4 into x cube left here. So x cube means 0 plus 1. Alright, by in the denominator 7x square left means this also will become 0. This also will become 0. Here it is 2. So the final answer is 1 by 2. That's it. Clear? Are you there? Please put it in the chat to those who are literally following. How many of you are able to understand what I did? Quickly. I'm expecting, yeah, please do involve in the chatting so that you won't get any sleep. Of course, many will sleep even after waking up in the morning. That's a habit of so huge number of people, right? Please put it in the chat. Those who are able to follow, please put it in the chat. Yes, sir, I am able to follow. What about the remaining? Like this, what we will do is for every 2 days, we'll finish one chapter. What a beautiful thing, solving very good questions at the JEE mains level, and we'll mostly focusing on PYQs of JEE mains and other competitive exams. Why, sir, from other competitive exams? Because you can learn a lot of things from other competitive exams. What type of model they are asking, what type of pattern they are following, and where they are stressing. That and all you can learn from following other competitive exams. Right? So, give me answer quickly for this beautiful question. Every one of you. Answer is, is there anyone got finished? So answer is 4 into 2022x 2020x means difference is 2x by x into, hey, in the standard limiting case cost value will become 1 whatever you have inside, 1 plus here it is 2, here it is 1. So this 4 gone, x gone, answer is 2. Answer is 2. Are you there? Say yes if you are there, dear. Govinda, sorry, are you able to follow? समझ आए क्या? Yes, moving slowly into tough things. Try to understand. So, in the standard limiting case, generally you have to be very carefully follow the things. So there is a beautiful concept called in the standard limiting case expansions. What we call it is expansions. Right here. So look at here. When you have the limit extends to 0, or here in the denominator you have other than the degree of the numerator. For example, numerator degree is 1. Tan x minus sin x means assume it is 1. But denominator you have degree 3. So in such cases, you can use expansions. You can use what? Expansions. So let me give that what is expansions all about. So you know sin x list out all these points. Sin x is, write down very carefully, x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial. Just that is enough. And cos x is its derivative. So sin x derivative is cos x. So its derivative 1 minus how much you will get? X square by 2 factorial. Alright. And x power 4 by 4 factorial and so on you will get. This is cos x. Now when I divide these two, that is called tan x I will get, and after simplifying you will get this value as, this tan x value as, follow me carefully, x plus x cube by 3, not factorial, and 2 by 15 x power 5 and so on infinite. Enough. Right? I'll go with two more things. Sin inverse x is approximately equal to x plus x cube by 6. How much? X plus x cube by 6. Clear? If you want to still, you can write it. So, take it down very carefully. X power 3x power 5 by, just 3 terms are enough. 3x power 4 by 5 by 40 and so on infinite. Then similarly, tan inverse x is x minus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 5. Enough. And the last one which you have to remember is, this list is very important here. Last one which you have to remember is, are you there? The most beautiful expansion. That is called 1 plus x whole power 1 by x. This term has an expansion is nothing but e into 1 minus x by 2 plus 11 by 24 into x square and so on. Clear? Okay. And if you want to remember, you can remember one more beautiful point called log of 1 plus x is nothing but x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3. No factorial, please take care. And the log of 1 minus x is, you can take complete minus out, x plus x square by 2, x cube by 3 and so on. So this list you should have in your, completely keep that in your mind. Right here. So can you look at this beautiful question now? Sir, when I have to apply this? This is the question you should get a doubt. When I have to apply this? So you have to apply this whenever you have the power differences. Here the power is cube, here the power you will get 1. In such a case, you can apply expansions to get easily answer. To get easily answer. Now, can you apply now? So, what is the difference of these two, my dear? Observe cheyandi. Just observe the things. So, xx gone. So, sir, till which power I have to remember? The beautiful thing is, you can remember till the denominator power, or you can write till the whatever the power is there in the denominator, till that you can write. So what is the power you have in the denominator? X cube. So you can write up to x cube in the numerator. So the difference of these two is, So when I take the difference, x gone, then what I will get? X cube by 3 plus x cube by 3 factorial. Are you there? So what is the meaning of this thing, Ranana? So this is nothing but, take care very carefully. So 3 factorial means 6. So x cube by 3 plus x cube by 6. So what is the meaning of that? So 3 x cube by 6 x cube by 2. Remember that. So whenever you have something like tan x minus sin x type of thing, you can replace with x cube by 2. By how much? X cube. So answer is 1 by 2. Answer is 1 by 2. Clear? Sir, what is the issue or what is the thing I will get when I have more power? Got the question? When I have more power. Let me generalize for you. Let me generalize for you. Have you wrote all these things? So now I am giving you a beautiful thing. Very carefully write down, because these type of questions makes the difference in the topper's rank. Show you one beautiful, very big question where students generally will miss a lot of things. Take it up. So in the standard limiting case, in the limit extends to 0 case, tan power n, tan power n, or లేదా tan kx whole power n minus sin kx whole power n by something is there but whose power is more than the numerator. That's a simple thing, right? So something I have g of x whole power some n plus 2 is there. And don't forget, here our g of x is all our standard limits. You can take anything, like you can go with x, sin inverse x, right? E power x minus 1 or whatever you have. Clear? In all such cases, the answer is n into k power n plus 2 by 2, or else you can write n by 2 into k power n plus 2. Spell again, n by 2 into k power n plus 2. What a powerful, beautiful concept it is. Now I will give you few questions. Let me just check how many of you are able to attack on this. Right here. Clear? So the concept is this thing. Try to write it very carefully, because this will differentiate the toppers from the average. What you should have here, power 2 extra will be there. And here it is power n, and inside you should have kx, and don't forget the limit should tends to 0. Hey, can you apply the same story for the earlier question? Okay, here a few questions are there. Okay, we'll do that. But earlier question, what they gave, my dear, tan x minus sin x by x cube. Limit x tends to 0. So n is how much? Power is 1 na? And this 3 can be written as n plus 2. 1 plus 2 na? So it's in our standard format. So our answer is 1 means n by 2 into, how much k is? In this formula, k is what? 1 only, no? Kx. 1 power, the power of the denominator. That's nothing but 3. So answer is 1 by 2. Direct question. Answer is 1 by 2. Direct question it is, right? Are you there? Okay. Now let us apply the same story for one more beautiful question. I'm writing here. Limit x tends to 0, tan cube 2x minus sine cube 2x by, very carefully try to understand, e power x minus 1 whole power 5. Can you give me answer? Answer is 48. Let me check it. The method. This guy will give you, this is nothing but indirectly e power x minus 1 is x only, na? Means this is x power 5. So can you put it now? N by 2, 3 by 2, much k 2 power 5. Right. So gone 16 into 3, answer is 48. Super, Ranana. Super. Right? Now attack on this. I'll give some time and do this question here. Do this question very carefully. Here small correction is, it's a power 5. I'll give you some time. Quickly give me answer for this, every one of you. Can you solve it quick? Right. Answer is, the answer you got. Application is very important. How to proceed here? So this guy answer is n. N is 4. N is 4 na? 4 by 2. And the beautiful thing is, look at here. When I have in this formula, for example, k is 1 ra. This is very beautiful thing. In this formula, if k is 1, then what our answer will turn? It will be just n by 2. It will be just n by 2. Are you there? Just n by 2. Okay. So what? n by 2. 4 by 2. 4 by 2 na? 8 by 2. 3 by 2. 5 by 2. So can you give what is this guy is? 2, 4, 1.5 and 2.5. So what is that? Ascending order, meaning is increasing order. Descending order. What is the meaning of descending? Means decreasing order. As you are moving, value should increase, that is called ascend. As you are moving, value should come down, it should called descending. So can you arrange? So this should be in the last. So second option should be the last. So second option should be the last means only option 2. Only option 2 is there. Wonderful, Ravinutna. Can you please look at this, dear? Beautiful thing. Watch it till the end. Don't be like a average or diverted, distracted student. You started something, finish it till the end. I hope all of you getting what I'm saying. Right? So, dear, this course has two beautiful things. We are going to start from October 20, early morning, powerful batch. So, the batch is starting from October 20. So, enrollments are going on. And this will be morning 5:30 to 7 a.m. This will be the timings. And weekly 4 days will be there. Weekly 4 days will be there, and timings will be this thing. And here two options will be there. So those who want to listen directly in the app, it's app access. The price will be 6,999, valid for 1 year. Clear? And those who want to listen in the YT YouTube channel, means this channel. So you have to go with monthly membership 999. In a membership, people can watch this class. So what is the extra between these two is, see, whatever app access students will get, they will also get. But these guys will pay monthly. So what is a monthly fee? 999. And in the app, 1 year validity. This will be whenever they want, they can quit. Clear? I hope all of you getting what I'm saying. So such a beautiful opportunity I'm giving, and clearly A to Z total concepts will be covered with beautiful questions solving. So don't miss. Suddenly 6,999 if it is burden to the parent. Yes, you can go with 999 monthly membership for YT membership subscription. Right here. So that's it. Now let us go with next question. Give me answer for this beautiful question. Quickly. Demo classes will come in the live only, but from 20 onwards, you will get all the classes in the membership. Means you won't get in the live. In the live, you cannot get. Right. Solve this. So here is a beautiful thing. In the standard limiting case, this is another beautiful thing what we have to remember. 1 plus x whole power n is 1 plus nx. Spell it. 1 plus x whole power n is approximately equal to 1 plus nx. Can you put it now? Can you put it now? Right? So that's nothing but 1 plus x whole, Nina. Now what you can write this guy is, so gone, everything you will get what? 1 by 1. It is 1. Answer is 1, 1. All right. Are you observing how many questions we did till now? We learned the concept and we are doing a lot of questions, right? Now to the next question is, right, this and all is what we call, just a minute, this is, we call it as another concept, right? Now I'll go with a few standard JEE mains questions. Try to give me answer very quick. So take down this beautiful question. Take down this beautiful question, very standard question from JEE mains, right? Question number 1. I'll write the questions because this file doesn't have those questions. So let me write down these questions. Question number 1. I have something like this, dear. Cos 5x minus cos 3x by something like x square is there. Limit x tends to 0. Give me answer. All right. Now what I am doing is I am raising the power. I am raising the power. Cos power n ax cos power n bx by something like x square is there. Give me answer very quickly. So very simple formula is, write down this beautiful formula. N times of b square minus a square, or n by 2 times of b square minus a square. And that's it. N by 2 times of b square minus a square. That's it. So answer is, can you give it? What is n here? 1. So 1 by 2 times of b square, 3 square minus 5 square. So we'll get 9 minus 25 means, how much you will get? Minus 16 by 2 means minus 8, I think. Are you there? Following? Now I want to give you one more question. Let me just check it. Limit x tends to 0. Okay. Cos cube 3x. Yes. Cos cube 5x by something like sin x into tan inverse x is there. Hello? How can you do this? So the simplest way is, how can you proceed this thing? The simplest way is, first you write it as in the standard limits x square. Then n is 3. So cos cube 3x minus cos cube 5x. Right up. So according to our formula, n is 3 by 2 into 5 square minus 3 square. 5 square minus 3 square. Are you there? So simplify and give me answer is quickly. What is the answer for this? It's 24. We call it is 24. Right up. So dear students, if you are able to follow this, please hit the like button, because the YouTube has a algorithm that the more likes are coming and the more lives are coming continuously, it will share it to many people. So my intention, the morning hours should be benefited to everyone, including the student and including the mentor like me also. Please hit the like button, and if possible, can you please do share this with all your friends. My only network I have is you people. You are my source of strength, right? Means my students are my strength. Can you please do that? Because yes, I started as a mission to transform your math score. I started this as a mission to transform your math score. Clear, dear? Yes, you are working, you are struggling, but math you are getting average. Now you have to get full out of full in math. In the objective I am talking, not in the boards. So such a great thing I started with a mission JEE 99 math, or mission JEE math 99. Right. So please do hit the like button and share it to all your friends, so that they will also get to know some courses there and they can utilize it. That's it. Come back to here. Shall I? I want to give you one more question. Can you take down this beautiful question? Just whatever we did, we are going to just repeat now. Yeah, the question is like this, dear. Let me just check it, how many of you are able to do it. The question is like this. Take it up. Limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0. Cos 2x cube minus cos 5x cube by x into sin square 2x into tan cube 3x. Quickly give me answer, dear. Can you quickly give me answer? Nothing to worry. Just like whatever this is, you can take as a B. This is A, and power is 1. Alright? Here the power is cos power n, same thing. And whatever the thing you have, earlier formula, n by 2 into b square minus a square by, here you will get all the coefficients with respect to powers. Standard limits now. Final answer, can you give me? 1 by 2, 5 square minus 2 square by 2 cube into 3 cube. So give me final answer, it will be nothing but Cut 14 means cut means 21 by uh, with the 3 you are getting cut, right? So the answer is 7 by 72. Just check it. Have you got that or not? 7 by 72. Clear? Huh? No. So something like this I have. So how to proceed for this type of models? In the standard limiting case only, but how to proceed? Write down these beautiful questions. Limit. This we learned now already. That I am going to apply for many questions now. For many questions, we are going to apply this now. Write down these questions and try to put answer. The question is, like this. Limit extends to 0. Question number 1. Limit extends to 0. The root of 1 plus x power m minus x power n by x power n. So what you will do, can you say? You will apply your 1 plus nx formula. So 1 is there, but instead of x you have x power n. So what you can do? 1 plus x power n by 2 minus 1 minus x power n by 2. By the denominator you have same x power n. So what you are going to get? 1 gone and x power n by x power n. So you are getting 1. So these type of things, answer will be always what, my dear? 1. Are you there? Are you able to follow? Now I am changing a little, some more generalization. Instead of going with 1, I am going with some k. Limit extends to 0. Write down very carefully. Nth root of some k plus x power m minus mth root of k minus x power m by I have x power m. X power m. So the good thing here is, don't look at that x power m, just look at power n. Just look at power n. Only look at power n. A voice is clear. Huh? Voice clear is there? Vinutna, Advait, Anvita, Avanish. Just check it. Now, I have these type of things. Answer is, remember very carefully. Answer is, answer for this type of thing is n by 2. What is that? Or 2 by n. It will become ulta. 2 by n. This k is there now. K power 1 by n minus 1. Can you remember once? Super beautiful question it is. 2 by n, 2 by n into k power 1 by n minus 1. Sir, how we will get this? Nothing else is there, dear. You will take a out. You will take a out means if you take a out, what you will get? A power 1 by n out, na? Let me solve this. K out, then k power n. Let me solve this. Let me solve for you. Star mark. I will prove this for you. How to prove? The term they gave is right. I should have here 1 plus instead of k. So what I am doing is I am dividing with k. So 2 divided with k, I am getting k out. So 1 plus x power m by k whole power 1 by n. So this is approximately equal to into 1 plus nx formula. Similarly, this guy will become as, are you there? Therefore, therefore, question will become limit x tends to 0. Can you write down? K power 1 by n 1 plus x power m by nk minus k power 1 by n 1 plus x power m by nk by x power m. Clear? Clear, my dear. Now what is happening? Here it is minus, minus. So this gone. X power m gone. So what left is? So this guy is becoming 2 times of x power m, right, into k power 1 by n by nk into, in the denominator you have x power m. So this x power m gone. So what this is going to become? 2 by n k power 1 by n minus 1. That's the formula we derived now. Can you spell? K by n, sorry, 2 by n. Are you able to follow the last step? Simplification. Say yes, those who are able to follow. You got the derivation how I did. So the final point you have to remember this thing. 2 by n k power 1 by n minus 1. Clear? Now look at question number 1. Take it down this beautiful question. The question is like this. Now you have to apply. You have to apply. Somebody gave like this, limit x tends to 0, root of 2 plus x minus root of 2 minus x by, right, some tan inverse x they give. Answer is, can I give in the limit tending to 0 case? In the limit tending to 0 case. Answer is, Can anyone of you give me answer for this? So what is K here? So the formula is tan inverse is x only, no? Now apply your formula. N is how much? Square root means n is 2 na. 2 by 2. K is how much? It's 2. 2 power 1 minus, what's the formula? N is 2. Gone. How much? Nothing but 1 by root 2 by root 2. Can you do check it? So is 1 by root 2. So last question for today. We'll close it. Ah, one last question. And tomorrow we'll do directly PYQs. One last question and give me answer. Limit extends to 0. 3 plus x minus root 3 minus x by e power x minus 1. Quick answer I'm expecting from your side. Anyone? Very simple, direct answer, dear. Whatever k is there, take 1 by root k. So answer is 1 by root 3. Why? Because this guy is becoming x only, na? Standard limiting case. So earlier answer is whatever k is there. That's it. Clear? Sir, why like this, sir? You may get a doubt. Your formula is 2 by n k power 1 by n minus 1. Now I am putting n is 2, for example. That's a square roots. N is 2. What I will get? 2 by 2 gone. K power 1 by 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1 by root k. So for all square roots, means for n equal to 2, answer is just 1 by root k. That's it for today, dear. How many of you are literally learning something? Can you please put it in the chat, in the comment, so that people will get to know exactly where we are and how we are, how was the class and everything. Can you please put it in the one sentence? How many of you are learning something useful? Because morning, 1.5 hour, very beautiful, powerful time. And it's my personal time. It's my personal time. No distractions, no XYZs, only concept and questions and only learning. Only learning. Only learners, please do join in this. and only those who want to transform your score, those who want to transform your score, transforming means 20 or 30 marks into 20 or 30 marks you are getting in math. Make it what? 60 plus marks. What is this, sir? Out of 100 marks, if you get 50 plus marks, you will get 99 plus in JEE mains. Then what is 60 plus? 99.7, 99.8. So if you get this in the final exam, it will be something like this. Are you there? Yes. If any one of you get this score, I will refund your total fees, whatever you pay. That's it. It's a challenging for me and it's life-changing thing for you. Please do share this thing with your friends and encourage me to do much more better. That's it. Love you all. Bye bye. Take care.